I'm gonna try Jack's Storm. Okay.
I'm gonna try this one first.
Oh my goodness. Do you think it will make it? Okay, let's do it again.
I wanna do Jack's Storm.
Okay.
Where's the
Oh, the remote's on the kitchen counter.
I wanna do Jack's Storm.
Okay. Yeah. Do you want to try? Uh-huh. Okay, I'm going to try to... Okay, let's get it a little bit more. Okay. No. On the... Oh, oops. Okay, let's try it again. It's almost get up there. Oh no.
Oh no.
You have to put it on both the wheels on it for it to grip it. Okay. Kind of did it. Let's see if we can like come this way and land on the box. No, like leave it there. Yeah. Let's see.
No. Mommy,
The box needs to be closer. Okay, hold on. He's gonna try to see if Jack's Storm can like jump off the couch onto the box. Oh.
What? My gosh. It popped the bump. It popped.
Let's see. We gotta move it closer. This is an experiment. Whoa.
It'll be closer.
Oh.
Wait, I was trying almost while I was.
You almost made it.
Yeah, I almost made
Aww. Poor Jack's Storm is upside down.
Watch it.
Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it has to be.
Look at that much closer.
Okay. Oh, you okay?
I want to climb. Dude, I need to do this. This is a...
Oh, yes.
Yes, I did it.
Try it again.
No.
And then you want to try that?
Yeah. Well, you have to put that up.
No, try this.
Wait, that one is too hard.
Okay, let's see if we can make this one. Oh. Okay, you just pushed it up.
Oh, no.
I think we need to ask Daddy to make an obstacle course for us for these cars. This was not a success. Mommy tried her best.
Yes, Mommy, I was Titan.
Yes.
I did.
You did it? You want to see if it will go over the yoga mat? You went backwards.
It's gonna work. What?
Oh, look at the tire, it just keeps spinning.
Mommy?
Yeah?
Mommy?
Whoa.
I made it. Mommy? Hey, Mommy, I did it all. I can see me.
Yeah, you did it.
I can't see me. Mommy?
Yeah, you have to go in front of the camera to see yourself
Mommy.
after we're done taping. Huh?
Can you do it? That would be awesome.
I know, but I don't think Mommy can. We need to have Daddy make an obstacle course for us. We'll tell Daddy to make one.
No, a lot.
A big one. We'll try to do it outside in the backyard when Daddy comes home. Yeah?
But, Mommy, can you put tape on it so it can't fall? That would be a great idea.
Yeah, that would be a great idea.
Mommy, look!
Okay, try using this.
Mom, where's the pee-pee? Where?
You need to go pee-pee? Okay, let's go take Arv to go pee-pee.
Oh, stop! Mommy, I didn't think that was clean.
Yeah, it's Mama Clean.
Now you can say it. Yeah, it's really cool. Ow.
Okay, we'll have Daddy come and help us with the obstacle course, right?
Yeah.
But did Mommy at least do a good job trying?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you proud of Mommy?
Hey, my hat.
Come on, let's go pee-pee.
My hat. It's your hat. It's your hat. Ribbit. My frog. My frog. My frog. My frog. Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
Hey, Mommy. Maybe we have a great idea. Maybe we go to the office and try it.
Whose office?
Ryan's daddy's office.
Okay.
So we can do it.
Okay.
That would be a good idea to go to the office.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get some supplies.
Yeah. We have a good idea. Maybe we can make a racetrack. We can get a racetrack on the office and try it.
Yeah.
We can do it. That will be a great idea.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We can ask Daddy.
Yeah.
Is that a good idea, Aarav?
Mommy. A froggy.
That used to be Mommy's when Mommy was in school.
Yeah, Mommy was. That was yours when you was a kid.
It's a Beanie Baby frog.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Mommy.
Yeah.
So you was a kid and you played that with that froggy when you was a kid. You go at school.
Yes.
Mommy,
Is that a pretty frog? What color is the frog?
Green.
Green and what?
Green.
And what?
And yellow.
Good job.
And green.
Yes. Green and yellow.
And yellow feet.
Yeah, yellow feet.
And not yellow feet.
Yeah, another yellow feet.
No,
These- both of them are.
America shoe. What pay you shoe? It's gonna pay a
Okay, let's go have snack. Yeah?
No, I don't have snack.
Do you want a snack?
I want a snack. Can you vlog us so we can have a snack?
Yeah, what do you want? Apples?
No. I want mango.
Oh, we're out of mango. We need to Mommy needs to go to the store and get some.
I want some goldfish.
Goldfish?
Yeah.
Okay, you want some goldfish?
I want snacks.
Okay, let's go get some goldfish, and then Mom is gonna
Snacks?
have her lunch, and then Mommy has to fold laundry.
Oh, no, I want to do my laundry.
Okay, we'll do your laundry next.
Mommy, can you vlog us with our laundry? Because we did it, because you vlogged us last time we did it.
Yeah, we did. didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
You don't want a froggy?
Yeah, we did. We did it last time.
Yeah, we did it last time.
Now I wanted it. I want to do it again. Mommy, can you take it off?
We're
I want to
here.
go fish.
We're back.
Whoa, I want to know. I want to put it in. I want to put it in. I want to be the green one.
You want the
I want
green?
to be the green one.
Okay, you can get this green one.
I know I want blue one.
You want blue one? Okay.
No, I want blue. I want green one. Green one. Yeah, I want a green one. I want that green one. Nasty goldfish. That's a nasty.
No, they're yummy goldfish.
And nasty.
No, it's yummy. Okay, that's enough goldfish. If you need more, you can get some more later after you're finished. Okay, close it. Okay, that's enough. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of goldfish, Aarav.
Yeah.
But you just had lunch a while ago. Okay, that's enough, Armaan. No, that's enough. Okay, you gotta snap all 4 sides. Good job. Good job. All right.